Creating your own space in SchoolAI is one of the more advanced features that it offers, but it's also probably the most powerful feature that it offers. It allows you to create a space either through the Create a Space button here or through Spaces and Create. It allows you to fully determine what that chat bot, what that SchoolAI space is, how it interacts with your students, and what it entails. So you start by putting a title, and then you put in the prompt. You can also add standards, and you can upload files that the space will reference. As an example, when you write an AI prompt, you want to be as specific as you can. You want to tell the AI bot, the space, what role it is playing, what it's supposed to be doing for the students, and then give general instructions and guidelines. You can write as much in here as you want. You can include requirements. The recommendation is, as you're creating these spaces, you're regularly previewing them to see if they're doing what it is that you want them to do, if they're interacting with the students in the correct way. And if you need to make adjustments, you just go back over to the prompt and make those adjustments. Once you create the basic information about the title and the prompt, there's also the optional details at the bottom. It works very well to click the Generate All Fields button, which will generate an AI image for your space. It will create a subtitle. It will create a teacher description and a student description, which you can then review and rewrite as needed, or you can leave it as is. But it basically takes all of the information you wrote above and automatically generates the bottom piece. So it just makes it much more interesting to look at rather than leaving it all blank. Just like any other space, this can be saved. It can be launched with students. But the key is, when you're creating your own space, to really focus on the prompt, getting it as detailed and specific as you can so that it really does what you want it to do with your students. Once you've created a space, if you would like to share it with others, either in your department or publicly, separate from launching it and working with students, you can also just share the space itself so that other teachers can see it, launch it themselves, or remix it. So from this, you use the little paper airplane share space icon, and you would share this link with anyone that you want to be able to see the space itself, and it essentially just takes them back to that same page that you see, where they are then able to choose remix or launch and add their own options. So you could have one person in your department create a space and share it with others in the department, and then each teacher could adjust the space to fit for their particular students, their particular class.